that, Zio?
What's that funny?
Okay, Mario, what is that?
Soda.
And vinegar.
Vinegar.
Okay, and spoon and balloon. Okay, what we will do today, friends? We are going to
Air experiment.
Zahra. What is that, Zahra? Funnel and
Funnel and bottle.
okay, and then iron. What is that, iron?
Baking soda
And
and
vinegar.
vinegar.
Okay, and then Luciana, what is that? Balloon and spoon. Listen, what is that? Funnel. Okay, and then Gavorel, what is that? And vinegar. Okay, and then Rehan, what do you bring? Rehan, what is that? Spoon